Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will learn how to write a program that will ask the user to give a string or a sentence, and then a program will count the number of vowels in a given string or sentence using Pascal programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here count vowels. The title of our program, count vowels, var, input string. When we say string, it is a series of characters in Pascal. Our data type, integer, count in I. So in computer programming, when we declare a variable integer, the data type integer refers to values that are positive and negative numbers that are whole number including 0, begin, count, we initialize with 0. Right line, count vowels in a string in Pascal, the title of our program. We have also here another right line. In this line of code, we are asking the user to give a string that will be stored in our variable input str using for loop statement for I to length, input string to begin, using case statement, input string I becomes an array of, it will filter the capital in small letters of vowels. When we say vowels, it refers to letters that E, I, O, U, and then it will increment the count. And the for loop statement end, and then here we display the number of vowels in the string is with calling the variable count. Red line to display the on the screen the output of our program, and period to close the body of our program. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. Let us go to our online GDB to run our program. Click the run button to execute the program. And then let us, okay, our program is running right now. Count vowels in Pascal, enter string. Let's say Pascal programming. So in the given string Pascal programming, there are 5 vowels. Okay, let us stop the execution. Let us run again. Let's say the word database. In the word database, we have 4 vowels. We have 3 A's and 1 E. Stop again. Last example. Okay, there is a problem in the internet. Okay, it's running again. Let's say the word coding. In the word coding, there are 2 vowels that are O and I. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on count vowels in a string in Pascal programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.